This is the Thomson Reuters Proview platform. This is how we access Carswell's most highly circulated loose leafs. When you're using Proview, you can scroll through the loose leafs by title, but that takes a lot of time. So instead, we're going to try using the search function. Here, I'm going to try searching for the Ontario Securities Act. You can see here that you get several editions of the Act in your results. Click on the cover and it'll take you into the 2015 Act. You'll notice that in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, there are page numbers that match up with the print edition of the Act. You might also notice that even though I've swiped 3 times, we're still on page 7. That's because I've chosen to eliminate scrolling. You can change your Proview settings so that the pages match the book exactly. And now you can scroll through all of page 7. However, scrolling and swiping through the table of contents will still take a long time, so let's use the search function instead. Let's say I'm looking for the section on management discussion and analysis. When I click on my search result, you can see it shows you the path to get to the section you're looking for. When I click on the section, you can see there are highlights and sticky notes. I'm going to walk you through some of Proview's annotation capabilities. I'm going to delete this note because it's not useful to me anymore. Now I'm going to open this highlighted note, and I'm going to change the label on the highlight. This will help me find the note later and give my annotations more meaning. You can also edit and update your notes at any time. You can highlight sentences or whole paragraphs in order to find them later. In the left-hand sidebar, you can view all of the annotations you've made throughout the entire document. You can choose to filter out information by highlights, or you can choose to filter out information by notes. You can also filter by bookmarks, but I haven't used any. When you're going through large amounts of information, it can be easy to lose track of your research path. In the left-hand sidebar, you can look over your entire viewing history for this document. You can also use the left-hand sidebar to view all the links in the document in one place. There aren't any links here, but if there were case law in this document, it would link you to Westlaw Next Canada. Even though Proview is useful, you might not always want to use it for your reading, especially if you're going to be doing research someplace without an internet connection. Instead, you might want to convert this document to a PDF. I've chosen to keep my annotations so that I can read this document with all of my highlights. Once your document is in PDF form, you can open it with a Reader app. This way, you can access your research anywhere.